In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to show the correct SKU automatically when a customer selects a variation in your WooCommerce store. Copy the code from the blog post and paste it using a code snippets plugin or your child themes functions.php file. We'll start by activating the code snippet. Before we see it in action, let's look at how our sample variable product is set up. Using the product filter, choose Variable Products and open one to edit. In our example, the product has 3 attributes: phone model, color, and storage. Each variation has its own unique SKU, while the parent product keeps a default SKU. For instance, the variation iPhone 16, white, 256 GB carries this SKU. Every model, color, and storage combination has its own SKU configured. Now, let's jump to the front end and see the result. When you first load the product page, the parent SKU appears. The moment a shopper selects a specific combination, the SKU instantly updates to the variation SKU. For example, picking iPhone 16, white, 256 GB switches the SKU to that variation, and changing to any other variation updates the SKU automatically. This dynamic behavior gives your customers accurate information in real time and makes your product pages more transparent and user-friendly.